This is Marie Mullings. Her picture is one of 6 that's been circulated on social media as one of the women who allegedly battered 17-year-old Kaylan Dowdie at a party in Barbican, leaving her critically ill. Marie, who says she's clearly not hiding, went to see the superintendent in charge of the St. Andrew North Police today to clear her name.
Marie came to the police with her attorney, and we had no interest in her, and so she was able to leave with her in the presence of her attorney. We have no interest in her. She is not implicated in what transpired. I understand that she's a friend of the ladies or may have some association with them, but she was in no way, shape or form involved.
Marie wasn't surprised by that bit of news from the police, but felt vindicated anyway, especially since some popular vloggers on social media have been adding to Marie's distress by circulating her picture on social media.
I'm afraid of my life. I'm very scared. Yesterday I going to visit my baby at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital, and I took a taxi and I saw a young lady in the taxi and a video call, and I show a girl and I ask girl if she know about the fight, and I show a girl me, and I have to take off my hat and my mask and say, girl, young girl, if you don't know nothing, don't judge me. I wasn't there. People are pipe me up, I walk half a tree sat there, and a man say to our next man, see how she in her master, she her master, so one of the girl there. And Saturday, people are pipe me out and show me. It traumatized me very much.
Followers of the vloggers have also posted some unkind and threatening comments in relation to Marie and the other women.
My God, I gotta put them to shame, because my God knows I'm not guilty. I'm not involved in it. My God knows I'm heart clean, I'm unclean.
On the night of the beating, Marie says she was sick and in bed after just hours before returning from the Victoria Jubilee Hospital, where she visited her newborn, who is still a patient.
Why I see my picture out there now, but I don't know why them put my picture out there now. I have baby on the 5th of November, and I came out of the hospital on the 6th of November. The 7th of November, the party kept, and I went and looked for my baby from like 11 o'clock during the process, and by 4 o'clock, I leave the visit at the hospital. When I leave the visit, the rain was falling. It's when I go home, I have ear and feel sick in my bed. I don't come back out of my house.
Marie says while at the hospital, she was questioned by the police and released after they were satisfied that she was not at the party. In addition, Marie says Kaylan's friend, who was at the party, told the police Marie is not one of the women who attacked Kaylan. The police say 3 of the 5 accused women are still at large. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.